Hi, Ryan Smith here for Bahnhof Sport at the 2014 MRA show. Just stepped off a new ski from Blizzard called the Latigo, part of the Free Mountain series. This is a flip core ski. However, it's kind of a resurgence to the front side in that it is a narrower model. Really like this ski at 78 millimeters underfoot. I think this ski is going to be highly functional for a wide array of people, all the way from intermediate to upper advanced skiers. This ski will be applicable. 4 out of 5 stars.